Babe, why are you acting like you never pranked me before?
Me prank him, I go to the extent for do all of this. I mean,
I don't trust you. I don't trust you. Why would I get a seatbelt ticket for having no seatbelt on?
are you, where are we? Yeah, you come for prank me or what?
No.
I reverse something or what? You plan something? I plan this, B.
No, you just said, okay, I said to you, did you prank me? And you said, me? Prank you? As if you've never pranked me before. You're always pranking me. So I believe you're pranking me.
Yeah, but what I'm telling you, I'm not go to the extent for go send nothing in the mail for you get this.
Really?
You say get this in the mail. I don't even know, like, me tell you the ticket I get I must read online or something. I not even remember how that look. It's been months. I not even know. This look like a you all right pan it. Jennifer Edwards, look on all this.
I just got it from the mail.
You think me never go to school? I weird do. Think some never go to school. You think this I done said? This look like a you right something. No seatbelt with B. So if this prints up, it's not supposed to print with the name and everything. Look on this. This have no seatbelt. You write it with the.
Babe, it's not me. I didn't do it.
You come for scam me. You come for scam me and take my money or what? Where you come for take my money? Hey, go on and leave me alone, man. What's the problem? Yo, if me never look on this, I could have